Dear children, today in the class we learned lesson 7 in moral science, that is help your parents. Help your parents. And in this lesson it is given the story of an old father and his four sons. And let us listen the story. Somu was the renowned and well-liked goldsmith of the village. Somu was the renowned means famous, very famous. Goldsmith means who is making ornaments gold with gold. Who is making ornaments with gold. Then Somu had three sons named Golu, Sonu and Monu. And the goldsmith Somu had three sons. Their names were Golu, Sonu and Monu. All of them were goldsmiths. His three sons also goldsmiths. Somu was getting old. Golu made a huge bungalow near Somu's shop and also made a shop in the city. And among his three sons, Golu made a huge bungalow, means big house to stay. Huge houses are known as bungalow. And also he made a big shop also. And near Somu's shop, Sonu also joined him in his business. His brother Sonu also joined with Golu in his business. Then who had left? Monu was there, isn't it? So they had no time for their father, and because they started a business and they both were very busy with the business. And next, Somu and Monu lived together in the old house, and Monu lived with his father. Monu looked after his father well. He gave him food, care and medicine on time. Somu blessed him in return. And the son who lived together with the Somu took care of his father, and he had given food, care and medicine to his father. So Somu, father, blessed his son. One day Somu opened his shop and checked all the tools. He called all his sons and told them to join him to repair the shop. But our Golu and Sonu were very busy with their business, so they refused to help his father. Refused means said no. They are not ready to help the father. And refused means not ready or said no. And they did not have any time for their father because they were very busy with their father. And Somu was in tears while hearing this. While understanding this, his two sons were not ready to help him. The father became very sad and he was in tears. Tears came from his eyes. Monu could not see the tears of his father, and Monu, loving his father very much, so he was not ready to see the tear of Somu. He decided to renovate the shop. The word renovate means we are rebuilding. Rebuilding means repairing or doing maintenance in the old house or old building. That is called renovate or renovation in Malayalam. Pudukki paniyuga, renovate. Next day, they both started cleaning and repairing the shop. Somu's shop became famous once again. He was very happy. Dear children, if we obey our parents and help them, God will bless us. All of you underline, dear children, if we obey our parents and help them, God will bless us. Parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Underline this also. it will come as fill up. Parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Visible means that we can see, and you can see this pen. But can you see air? This room is filled with air, but we cannot see air. Like this, we can see our parents. Our parents are visible, and God is not visible. So, the parents who are visible to us are the sign of God. Okay. So, first we have to obey our parents. We have to love our parents. If you are respecting, if you are obeying your parents, God will bless you. Okay. So, all of you underline it. Let us respect and love them, and let us respect our parents and love them. We should never hurt our parents with our words or deeds. We should help them. Your parents work day and night for your well-being. Your parents are our parents were working. Our parents are working for us for day and night for our well-being, our goodness. The family that respects parents will be blessed. That also you underline. The family that respects parents will be blessed. As a student, can you help your parents now? And here it is given the story of Jittu, who was in standard 3. He was the only son of his family. His parents were very rich. They gave everything he needed. He was doing nothing at home. His parents did not have any problem. And Jittu was the one and only son of his parents, and he was not doing anything at home. But his parents also had no problem with it. One day, his teacher was explaining the need of helping the parents. Then Jittu was not doing anything at home. So suddenly he asked to the teacher, "Why should I help my parents? My parents do not need any help. I'll help them when they become old." And Jittu said, "When they become old, I'll help. Now my parents have no need of my help." Teacher corrected Jittu. She said, "All the students must help their parents in their own little way." Teacher asked all of them to make a list of ways they help their parents. For the first time, Jittu decided to help his parents. He wrote 5 ways by which he can help them. And see, here it is given. Jittu made the list in what ways he could help his parents. Like Jittu, you also have to complete this 5 ways through which you can help your parents. And after reaching home, Jittu went to the kitchen and he asked his mother, "Shall I help you, mom?" Without waiting for any answer, he folded the newspaper and kept it on the table. Then took a broom and cleaned the floor. His mother embraced him and thanked him. And his mother was very happy while seeing his son was doing cleaning the home, folding newspaper, and till that day he was not doing anything at home. So his mother was very happy, and with happiness he hugged his son. Okay. Then for the first time Jittu thanked his mother for doing everything for him. During dinner, his mother told his father about the change in Jittu. His father also praised him. And during dinner means at night, mother said to her husband, that is Jittu's father, "Our son had a change and he started to help me." With happiness, mother shared his joy with Jittu's father. From that day onwards, Jittu started washing his plate by himself after taking the food. He began to help his father by keeping the spectacles. Spectacles means this is spectacles. Spectacles. And in the cover and cleaning the bike. If anything is not in proper place, Jittu used to rearrange it. And if things are not in correct place, Jittu rearranged it. If we love our parents, we will definitely help them. And it is a sign of love and respect towards them. Underline it. We have to help our parents. That is the sign of our love towards parents. By obeying and helping our parents, we will express love towards them. And let us remember, children who love and fear God will love and respect their parents. Who said Saint Chavara? And parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Parents are the visible sign of invisible God. Here you have to fill this with the father's name, mother's name. And here you have to write the family that respect parents will be blessed by God. The word is blessed. Here you have to write blessed. Okay.